So Anthropic just released a brand new tool called Claude Cowork. And they're basically saying right here, Claude Code for the rest of your work. Cowork lets you complete non-technical tasks, much like how developers use Claude Code. In Cowork, you give Claude access to a folder on your computer. Claude can then read, edit, or create files in that folder. Try to create a spreadsheet from a pile of screenshots or produce a first draft from scattered notes. Once you've set a task, Claude makes a plan and steadily completes it, looping you in along the way. Claude can also use your existing connectors, which link Claude to external information, or you can also pair Cowork with Claude in Chrome for tasks that need browser access. So you can tell Claude Cowork to do any sort of tasks in external applications in your folders or anything on your browser. So you can go and tell it to create tasks or send messages in Notion or Slack. As an example, you can tell it to add something to your calendar and literally everything in between. This is such a powerful tool. Obviously, so is Claude Code, but for people who has never coded before, Claude Code can be a bit tricky, but this is what Claude Cowork looks like. It's super easy for anyone to start using. It's currently only available on Mac and only to Mac users, but I assume they will roll it out for Windows users, maybe also Pro users in the future. Let me show you exactly what Claude Cowork can do so you get a good hang of it, how to use it, and you can decide if it's worth the Max plan. By the way, if you're new to the AI Impact channel, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. We will be covering all sorts of AI news, all the best use cases for AI, and how you can use AI to have a real impact on your life or your business. But let me show you two quick ways you can use Claude Cowork. For example, if I wanted to organize files, I have a lot of screenshots just laying on my home screen right now, which I don't really want there. So I'm going to select a folder and I'm going to choose the desktop option because this is where all of my screenshots are. I then just have to allow Claude to make changes in files under desktop. I'll click on organize files and I'll tell Claude what to do. So everything I'm gonna say is basically I want to organize my screenshots. Please organize the screenshots in folders by year and then by month within the yearly folders. I'm going to click let's go. And it will basically run by itself. You don't have to intervene at all. It will do this automatically and then just let you know whenever it is finished. It keeps you up to date on everything it's doing. So I can see you have 25 screenshots, all from January 2026. Let me organize them into a 2026 January folder. It is correct that all these screenshots are from January of 26. So I guess my message didn't really make sense to sort them by year and month, but it is still doing it. So there you go. Literally took less than a minute. All your January 2026 screenshots are now neatly organized. If I go back and check my desktop, this is what it now looks like. If I open up that folder, you can see the 2026 folder. You then have January, and all my screenshots are now placed in here. And now another use case you can use it for, which I already ran before starting to record because this one took a little while, like 5 to 10 minutes because it was a pretty big task. I basically just gave it access to this Cowork folder where I only had this file. This is a massive CSV file with loads of e-commerce data for an e-commerce client. So you have loads of sales and data in here. And I told Claude there's a huge data file for one of my e-com clients in the Cowork folder. I want you to break this data down and create a full PowerPoint presentation where you summarize this data, all the key metrics, biggest areas for improvement, what is good and what is bad, make it very easy to understand and to present with a lot of visual data and graphs that I can present to the board. It then went ahead and did it all. I didn't have to intervene once, told me everything it did, and then it finished and it automatically placed this PowerPoint file in that same folder. And here it is. So if I now go ahead and open this PowerPoint, it created this full PowerPoint presentation and summary of all that data that I provided. So it has revenue, orders, gross margin, executive summary, daily revenue trend, peak day, lowest day. You then have category performance, you have traffic sources, top products, graphic distribution. This is obviously in PowerPoint, so you can also move around any sort of text or graphs if you want to yourself. You then have order status analysis, discount performance, key recommendations. For example, sales drop 25 to 40% on weekends, launch weekend specific promos to increase this. The impact is 3 to 5K extra weekly if normalized. So this is really powerful stuff. I gave it this massive CSV file with just raw data. It broke it all down within 10 minutes, gave me a beautiful beautiful PowerPoint that I can analyze. So this obviously just got released, so it will probably improve loads over time as well, but I have had a lot of fun just playing around with it today. And I just wanted to show you exactly how it worked if you haven't tried it out for yourself yet. If you don't have a Mac, if you don't have a Max plan, you might still want to see what it is and how it works, what you can use it for. So hopefully you got some value from this video. Do make sure to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on all new AI related features and tools and use cases. Now with that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later.